So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So it's my turn to do a new product showcase today, but unlike Ian, I'm not going to be doing 4 releases. I'm only going to be releasing 2. When Ian released his 4-pack, he had such a massive response that over the past week or so, he's had to do over 100 packs. So he's worked his little fingers to the bone to try and get all the packs printed, cut out, hand distressed, bagged and in the post. So he's worked his little fingers to the bone trying to get everybody's order out as soon as possible, and he's managed to do that in a really timely manner, which is why today when we received an email from a lady who was quite nasty, it's kind of knocked his confidence a little bit, so he didn't really want to sit with me and go through my packs today because he's feeling a bit tender. Anyway, so my first 2 Junk Journal Ephemera packs are here. I've not turned them over just yet. Like I said, I do have 4 packs, but I'm going to be releasing just 2 at a time in a phased release so that I can manage the orders, because again these are all going to have to be printed, cut out by hand and hand distressed and then bagged and sent out in the post. So the first pack is a design which you've probably seen previously, which I did Halloween kind of last year. So this is part of the Apothecary range. So this is a junk journal or ephemera pack featuring my poison labels. So for this first pack there are 31 individual items that you're getting in here, and I'll go through each one. I'll go through the second design in a second. So let's just try and put them all together. So first things first, there's this fantastic postcard, double-sided postcard, but you can open it out and write on the inside if you want to. Send it as a postcard or use it for journaling. So there's the postcard. You're getting 4 poison corner tuck spots, each one individual. That one says strychnine, that one says hemlock, that one says cyanide, and that one says arsenic. So there's 4 different poison labels on those corner tuck spots. There's 2 journaling tags, including with the eyelets and the black ribbon. It's featuring different design on each one, slightly different design on each one. There are 4 journaling cards. So I'll flip those over, featuring that Apothecary background paper that I did as a digi-download at Halloween time, which obviously this coordinates and goes with. So if you wanted to add to it, you could purchase this ephemera pack and create something fantastic. So again, there's 4 of those, but again they are double-sided and you can write on the inside of those as well, and they do fit inside those tuck pockets. There's 5 of the 4-inch mini manila envelopes, and you've got 5 poison labels again. So you've got belladonna, hemlock, arsenic, strychnine and cyanide. Now these do have adhesive on the back. Now this is that really strong double-sided adhesive, so that you can stick those onto the front of your envelopes or perhaps use them for something else. Then you can stick those into your journal and your journaling cards fit just nicely inside those pockets. So everything will fit inside these envelopes, including your little journaling tags as well. So everything coordinates, everything fits, so that's what you get with those. So those 5 4x4 envelopes. If you want to buy more of these envelopes, they are on my website as an individual pack where you get 10 as well. So if you want more of those, so like I said, there's the 5 poison label stickers. So you've also got 4 circular poison discs featuring cyanide, strychnine, arsenic and hemlock. So again, you can glue these or add a little bit of double-sided tape. You can put them onto your onto your tags or just decorate however you wish. But also there's 6 little file tabs that say dates, thoughts, numbers, ideas, file notes, but there's also a blank one if you want to add a category of your own. So that is the Apothecary Ephemera pack. Like I said, 31 individual items. Now these are all going to be produced on demand. So as soon as I get orders for these, I will start producing them, and I'll get them off in the post as soon as I possibly can. So again, like I said, they are going to be done on demand. So as soon as I get an order for one, I'll print one off, start cutting it out. They're printed on our Xerox Phaser 6510 colour laser printer on 200 GSM cardstock. And like I said, they all are hand distressed. Let me just move that set out of the way because I'm probably going to knock it down. So that was set number 1. Set number 2, which I think a lot of people probably will be waiting for, is the William Morris set. So again, similar things in this pack. Once again, printed and cut on demand. So again, you're getting the postcard with a quilted patchwork William Morris kind of design, which I have designed myself. Again, inside you've got that grid, so you can write on it, use it as a journaling card, or just send it as a postcard. If you want to, pop it in an envelope, you can use that for that. Again, you've got 4 of the corner pockets. Now I've deliberately left this without anything on it, because you can either use the discs that come with this one. Now actually there's 6 of these on this one. I think I've been a little bit generous. So there's 4 different ones, and then there's 2 of the Strawberry Thief ones that I've included as well, just because my favourite William Morris pattern. Now these can go either way, left or right. So that's the reason why I've not put anything on them, so that you can use them whichever way around you want to do. So that way or that way. So you're getting those 4 corner tuck spots. There's the 4 floral 1.5 inch discs and the 2 Strawberry Thief ones. So again, you could use these for those kind of banker's pockets where you pop through either a brad or an eyelet, and then you can put the string around them if you want to create some closures that way, or just use them as stickers if you want. Now on this one, you get the file tabs, but these ones I've left blank for you to write your own category or section for your journals on. So 6 of those. And then you're getting 2 journaling tags, and I've chosen 2 different William Morrissey kind of patterns for those. So again, and then you're getting your 5 4x4 envelopes as previously, and then you've got 4 journaling stickers to go on there. Again, these have got that self-adhesive double-sided backing. It's extremely strong, so you can create your journaling pockets with that lovely kind of William Morris style pattern. Some have got that quilted pattern on it, some have got the pattern borders that have also appeared elsewhere in the pack. So there's all those, and you're also getting your 4 journaling cards. So I'll flip those over. So you've got 4 different beautiful, I won't say floral because they're not really floral, they're more botanical William Morris kind of patterns. So that is the William Morris pack. So like I said, I'm only releasing the 2 designs at the moment. I do have 2 more to come, and I'll just give you a quick glimpse of those, but not this week, and these won't be on the website just yet, but there will be a sunflower set, and there will also be a butterfly bazaar set as well that I've already done. So they'll be coming out a little bit later, in a week or 2, once I've got orders for these out of the way. There will, like I said, it will be a phased release, and I'll just try and get through everybody's order as quickly as I possibly can. Now here in the UK, and we've just received word from our Prime Minister, from the government, that there is going to be a phased return back to normality once everybody's had the vaccine, and things are going to start opening back up again. So things will start returning back to normal. Fingers crossed, touch wood. Hopefully by the end of June, the UK will be back to normal, whatever that will look like. So I hope for now that you enjoy these two first releases on the ephemera packs. I'm trying to pick one up off the floor as we speak, so that's that one there. So there's the, I'm calling this one the aesthetic movement because I don't really want to use the word William Morris, but that's the Arts and Crafts aesthetic movement style pack, and that's my Apothecary style pack there. So I hope you've enjoyed those. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel already, you can do so by clicking the button at the end of the video, and links to these will be in the description area below this video. So that's all from me for now. I will see you all again very, very soon. Bye for now. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.